Okay, this is throughout the parking deck. Here's the elevator at Macy's. A-series? Or wait, is that A-series? Is that a rotodial? I'm very confused. I think that's Westinghouse. Have to find out. Down or up?
Oh. Thank you.
Don't mind me, I'm just taking a video.
Okay, not me. Thank you.
Have a nice day. This thing is insanely beat up. I guess this mall just has a whole world of annoying elevators. Is that under level? Not. I love how there's like different brails. This looks like a monitor braille almost. So weird. So definitely gotten replaced. It's not a pushable button. Okay, the phone is way down there. What's the capacity on this thing? It doesn't even show it. There's not even a certificate in the elevator. Yeah, and this thing is, the buzzer on this thing is so annoying. Well, now you know. It's definitely Westinghouse. This thing is just wonderful. Yeah, I love how there's no certificate. I'm not sure if Pennsylvania requires a certificate in the elevator. That alarm is so annoying. Or chime or bell or whatever you want to call it. Because that might be over level. And kind of is, not really though.